again, and today we'll be showing you how to put together this masterpiece of an instrument, the trombone. My legs are losing their circulation. Okay.
Let me help you with that a little bit.
Thank you, man.
Here, just like
Shout out to our shout out to our cameraman Evan. Caleb moved places.
Yeah.
He is now officially the editor.
No, I am.
Terribly good. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, he does nothing but checks if we have good subs.
He
Poor
checks
Caleb.
if we play Thomas.
Yeah, poor Caleb. He does his job well, but he doesn't do it that
Yeah,
well.
he does it well,
We
but
start off with this. We call this a slide. That was a bad idea. Don't do that, kids. Don't.
No.
Now, what you do is, see these two? Put your mouthpiece here. Open this little case up.
That's the little case.
Yeah.
Okay.
Twist it in, but not too tight or it'll get stuck. Got it. Now, see this? Yep, the bell.
Oh, there you go.
Okay.
And then you just take that and put it right there. You can't get these two holes confused.
You can get them mixed up, but don't. It's easy.
Look. Take off your mouthpiece.
Take off this good old boy.
And look, they look different. They look different. That one has more, and that one has a little bit less.
It's a. All right.
And you can
now put it together. Now twist these parts. A little tip. Keep this on the right side, and then keep this always locked. But I don't because I'm lazy.
That sounds about right.
And now you got it.
Play tequila if you can't.